Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to be talking about how you can name your map stones, or basically your bases, inside of the game in order to keep from getting confused as to where you are and where you're trying to teleport to. So you might notice that I have this base, and I've just called it the Mines of Moria. But you know, you might notice there's not really an option to change the name, only an option to travel to another base that you see listed here. And that doesn't really help you very much, does it? So in order to change the name of your little waystone, your map stones, you have to go inside of your map and find them. So I've got quite a few of them. Like, this is the Crystal Descent, and this is the Mines of Moria, and this is Elf Town. And we could just say, to keep this simplified, we could call this Elven Wood Central, and then click confirm. That's really all you have to do. You just find the location for map stones that you want to rename, and then click on it in order to rename it. So this is the Nope of Moria. This is actually the Watcher's Lake. And then once I hit enter, you'll notice it's got a new name. And that's all you have to do in order to rechange the name of any of the map stones inside of Moria, so it's easier for you to navigate through all the different areas and all the different map stones you'll inevitably create. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Have a good one.